Hi, I'm Isabelle Gosenius, and I work as a senior digital specialist and product lead here at Precis. Goal setting is a core part of every marketer's job. But a common mistake I often see is that brands that lack digital maturity tend to set different objectives for different channels in the hopes of them collectively creating a full funnel strategy. This means, for example, using YouTube to increase awareness, Meta to drive traffic, and Google Search to increase conversions. Independent of how many and what channels you're working with, if you have a digital maturity at an accelerated level or above, you will have common objectives across all digital channels. And if you're at a pioneer level, you will even have the same objectives across both digital and non-digital channels, and they will be linked back to your overall business goal. So why is it important to align on your business objective? Well, essentially, it's about making sure that you are diversifying your investments in a way that is answering to the variances in your audience and their behavior. So you can't simply rely on the hopes of your entire audience being present in the channel that you choose to create awareness, then you're simply losing out. Let's say you're in e-commerce with the main objective to increase profit. Then profit should be the main objective across all channels you invest in. So let's say based on the customer journey and your product complexity that you go for Meta and TikTok, then the funnel strategy that you choose to go for should be mirroring both of those channels. And the same goes for any additional channel you might add in the future. So ultimately, by aligning on your business objective and adapting for the funnel within each channel rather than across them, you're creating better potential for success, regardless of objective. If you would like to assess your digital maturity and learn more about where you stand on the scale, you can try out our free digital maturity survey linked below.